Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Kung bago pa lang kayo guys sa aming channel, ang aming channel is Silana and Sophia Vlog. Kinukuhaan ko lang siya si Sophie ng video guys. Ayan, 59 months siya, 4 years and 11 months. Next month, magba-birthday siya, mag 5 years. 5 years na siya, ayan. Naglalaro siya guys, ayan. Pang memories niya lang to guys. So, ayan. Sophie, love you. Gonna be 5 years old next month. Ayan guys, busy siya, ayan. Naglalaro. Love you, love.
I made it. First I have to get my friend.
Busy si Sophia guys. Naglalaro ng mga cars, ayan. Ayan, Sophia, love you, love you, love.
It's hard to pull me out.
Kinuhaan ko din siya ng picture para may memory siya someday. So, eto guys, yung channel namin guys, mostly yung mga video kay Sophia. Pang memories lang niya. So, ayan guys, 59 months na siya, ayan. Mag-kindergarten na siya sa September this year. 5 years tapos mag-kindergarten na siya. Tapos niya na yung pre-K. Yes. What?
Hurt his hand.
What happened?
I hurt my hand. The girls was pranking me when I was
Naglalaro si Sophia guys.
But he got stuck into there's a cage right there.
Alright, I'm gonna help you, alright? Gonna help you, don't cry, okay? It's gonna be fine.
There's just a straight line like this on my hand.
I love you. Hi Sophia guys. Where are all the cars? Love, where are all the cars?
I just got bounced like it.
Busy Sophia guys.
And I got hurt. I hurt in my head.
Oh yeah?
And my hand.
Alright.
You have to put on a bandage on it.
Alright.
Is it a doctor's will call names?
Yup.
Okay.
Alright, you need to wait, alright?
Alright.
You need to wait your name, okay? The doctor will come here. Hey, Sophia guys, oh. Love you, love, love.
I just got hurt on my head.
Happy 59 months old. Ayan. Be careful, love.
You promised we had to drive. Yeah. I hope my sister was here.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. My sister is in the doctor's. Oh wait, I just got hurt to get rid of all of these patients.
Oh yeah.
Okay. And what spot could I sit on? Is I have to sit in the boys' side?
No, in the girl's side.
But I'm a boy.
Oh, alright, in the boy's side.
I'm a boy too.
Who's your doctor? What's the name of your doctor?
I'm just a boy. I'm a police.
Oh, you're police?
I just got hurt on my head.
Oh, alright.
And the friends got hurt on their head.
Oh, yeah?
Me too. I got hurt on my head. And I'm a boy. Me too. I got hurt on my head and I'm a boy.
Alright.
Me too.
We're gonna wait. The doctor will come, okay?
I'm a girl.
Yes.
Me too. Mom?
Yup.
You are a doctor. You're right here.
Alright.
You have to call names out. You're out now.
Alright. I'm gonna call Princess.
Okay. Are you starting with girls first?
Yup.
Okay. And where's my room? Where's my room?
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel, Silana and Sophia
I
Vlog.
just heard it in my head.
Sophia, can you say bye-bye to them?
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching.
I just got hurt on my head.
Ayan, naglalaro si Sophia, guys. Busy.
But it's snowy out today.
Ayan, guys.
Right? Hey,
Love you,
doctor.
Sophia. We love you.
You